I'll go inside the greenhouse here. My peppers. These peppers are doing awesome. They're loaded. I mean, the thing's loaded down with huge amounts of peppers. This pepper, I call it my pepper tree because, I mean, look at the size of this tree. There's peppers, I counted them, there's 50 of them on there. I got a few more down here of different varieties. This is a poblano. That's a nice looking pepper. This one in here is an Anaheim. And there's a few peppers. Nothing like this jalapeno pepper tree. This is jalapeno back in here. There's still more. And this is a gypsy. I thought this was going to be more of like a sweet pepper, but it's got just a hint. It's got a hint of pepper on it. Not hot pepper, but you know, like table salt and pepper. Got like that kind of peppery flavor. Brought in a few hanging baskets. Drying my corn. That'll take a little while. I got 2 different varieties of corn that I'm drying for the seed. And I gotta bring you guys over here and show you this. I started again. Daniel, I started this for you because I know how interested you are. Those are my carrots. Those are the big 3-foot carrots. I just started them. They're all coming up pretty good. So we will wait till we get a clear, defined winner of which carrot's going to be in each tube. But we're hoping for 3 feet. We're hoping for 3 feet. I took some cuttings of some hydrangea, white hydrangea and blue, and they're doing all right. Some of the leaves have fallen off. I mist them about once a day. Come out here and mist them and keep them covered. These plastic lids, I guess you would call them, they have holes in them, so they're vented properly. But yeah, I just give them a little mist once a day. Keep them moist. And we'll see how many make it. Down here in my clamshell, I'll bring you over here. In the clamshell, I have some rhododendrons. Give them a mist. And these are some Leland cypress. Took yesterday. I'm trying some seeds out to see. I'm just not very, what's the word? Hopeful on these. But we will give it a try. Let's keep this covered over. These dahlias, these seeds I got from the Bouchard Gardens in Victoria up in Canada, Vancouver Island. We just keep them misted. My little makeshift tiny inside greenhouse. Zinnia didn't do very well. It's my only zinnia plant that made it. But whatever. The banana tree pup that I dug up, it was yay, 2-3 inches tall. And man, look at it go. Look at it go. A quick rundown of, you know, what was happening in the greenhouse in the yard. Haven't been on here for a while. I did my grapes. I got 1.5 gallons, if you saw that video, I got 1.5 gallons of wine from these grapes here. And some of these, you know, they were still green. So I didn't bother, but I could have waited. But, I mean, there's not that much juice in what was left. Maybe a half a cup, not worth it. So yeah, these, all these leaves here, all these leaves will start to fall as we lose our light for the year from our sunshine, and then I'll have to pick up all these leaves. These pepper plants will all have to be cut back. This one back here, I did winter over last year, this pepper plant, and it did okay. I mean, you can see there's probably 10 jalapenos on this one pepper plant down here, but not as good as this one, which was grown from seed, this jalapeno. And I'll be taking some seed off of that one. In fact, this one's red, ready to go. I can pick this one up right there. It's starting even to get a little bit soft. So I will save this one for seed. That'll be a good seed saver. And we'll cut that open, save the seeds. Yeah, I saved some Cosmo seeds, some corn seed, bean seed, peas. Things are coming along. All right, let's get going. We got a full day ahead of us. We got stuff to do. Can't sit around all day talking.